In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Facebook Marketplace not showing and also how to add it onto your Facebook tab bar. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, navigating Facebook can sometimes be a task in itself, especially when certain icons or features seem to disappear without a clear explanation. Today we'll dive into a step-by-step guide designed to help you seamlessly integrate Marketplace into your experience, ensuring you have easy access whenever you need it. Let's start off by launching your Facebook app or heading over to the Facebook website on your browser. Once you're on Facebook, you'll want to locate your profile picture. It's typically situated in the top right-hand corner of your screen if you're on a desktop, or alternatively, you might find it in the lower right section on mobile. Clicking on your profile picture will take you to your main profile page. Next, you'll want to scroll down a tad until you spot the settings option. This will usually appear as a small icon situated near the top right corner of your screen. Give that a click and it will lead you to a wide array of options related to personalizing your Facebook experience. These settings allow you to adjust various elements to better fit your personal needs and preferences. Now, once you're in the settings section, keep an eye out for the tab bar option. This is a really handy spot because it specifically lets you manage the icons that appear at the bottom of your Facebook app or on the side of the web version. Upon clicking this, you'll see all the icons that are available. The next step is to locate the option labeled Customize the Bar. Clicking on this will unfold a list of features, each with an accompanying toggle or pin option. This is where you can make the tweaks needed to bring the Marketplace icon back if it's mysteriously disappeared. Go ahead and find the Marketplace from the list of options. It might take a little bit of scrolling, but it should be there. Once you've found it, you've got two choices. You can either choose to pin it, which ensures Marketplace is prominently displayed at all times, or select the auto option. The auto setting allows Facebook to manage which tabs to display based on your usage frequency. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you should now see the Marketplace icon readily available on your tab bar. Whether you're buying or selling, now accessing that part of Facebook's community is one click away. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering your digital tools. Thank you for watching and happy buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace.